Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2020 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Okay, that looks good. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Perfect. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver door. This door is in excellent condition. Okay, now let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks very good, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. The back looks fine. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. Alright, let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in good condition. I do not see any dents or scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Move on to the passenger door. This door is in good condition. I'm not seeing no dents or scratches here at all. Okay, and now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks fine. I'm not seeing no scratches here at all, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's take a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, the seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup camera. Let's have a look at the center console and make sure that we do not have any wear and tear. Everything looks perfect. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel is in excellent condition. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.